am getting very sweaty under this helmet. But I'm going to try to make a third video for today for this ride. Oh, cool. I can't leave right here. Good. Yeah, this will be the third video from this ride. Just headed home because I'm getting very sweaty. I think I'm sick, so that's fun. But it looks like we're going to be sitting here for a minute or two. So I'll probably see you guys when I get back on the road, so you don't have to watch this boring part. I'm going to try to catch up to this pimped out Subaru. Never mind, I've caught up to them. Alright, look at that. We are on the move. I wish I knew of like more back roads in my area. I know somebody commented about showing me the route they take. It's a little bit further down that way, so I might have to do that someday. I'd be down. But obviously bring the R6 for that, just because unfamiliar roads, I don't exactly want to be on a 1000 the first time I ride them. I don't think it's supposed to rain at all today, but actually I remember it saying it will this evening. Now that oh boy, well, I should be able to beat it home. Go home, do my laundry, start editing these videos, getting them up, and then go to the gym later tonight. Try to get the progress back that I lost at my Army training. I lost about 8 pounds while I was there because not enough food, constantly sweating, marches, stuff like that. Made me go back down, and I hate it. So I'm trying to catch back up to where I was. Which is very frustrating. I'd like to know what all's done to that. But I figured he was turning since he was going kind of slow in the right lane. We'll never know. Gotta be honest though, as much as I like riding season and don't want it to end, which I don't think it's gonna end anytime soon, like within the next month or two, but this weather is getting me excited for fall. I do like the fall colors and stuff, and fall temps are my favorite. Like a nice 60-degree day, 65. They're great. Hoodie weather is pretty nice. I'll definitely try to make a couple videos on that back road with the big lake during the fall. That way we can get some nice fall colors in there. I see all the leaves changing and stuff, because I know a couple of you were commenting that like you don't have that where you live, like Texas, Florida. Don't really see stuff like that, so try to provide that for you guys. It's always nice to see. I wonder if the flag's at half for the Minneapolis school shooting, or if something else happened that I don't really know about. See some messed up stuff about that school a couple months ago. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. I don't know much about the shooting though, so I can't really say like, oh, I think it does, because I don't know. Like I said, I don't really know anything about it. I just know it's the same school, I believe. They just had a controversy a couple months ago. A very disgusting one. But I'm gonna leave it at that. We will just continue enjoying the ride. Someone did tell me they got their Instagram accounts back. They had the same thing happen to them that happened to me. And they were telling me that it was like widespread across the app, happening to a whole bunch of people, which
is like part of the main reason I'm not trying it, because I'm a company that cares that little about its people to like fix that issue, that little about its users, I guess. Why would I, support them, I guess would be the word. But like, she told me what she had to do to get it back, and it's ridiculous, like how much it took for her to get it. Like, it should have been something they were like apologetic for, and were like, oh yeah, we're trying to fix this, like we're sorry this happened to you, all this stuff. But instead they make you jump through all these different hurdles, jump over all these hurdles and stuff, and reach out to all these different people. I've seen a lot of people had to like pay to be able to talk to the right support and get it back and everything. They get to pay for Meta Verified and stuff. Like, that's just insane to me. Ridiculous. So like, I had hope when she said she got hers back. I was like, oh, okay, maybe there's a chance for mine. But then I asked her like what all she did, and she told me, and I was like, okay, I'm definitely not gonna go that far. So I checked my email, and I don't have anything from them saying like, hey, you're reactivated or whatever. So I'm at this point just assuming it's never coming back. Sucks a lot, but there's nothing I can do about it. I mean, there is, but nothing I will do about it. Like, I'm not paying a company that just deleted my account for no reason. Like, that's, no. Because actually, now that I just said that out loud, that makes me think, what if that was intentional? Because if they're making people pay for like Meta Verified and stuff to get the help they need and they get their account back, it's just a way to make money. It's just pushing people to buy Meta Verified. Because I bet you a lot of people weren't buying it, that wasn't doing as well as they thought, because you get made fun of for buying the blue check and all that stuff. So people probably weren't buying it as much as they wanted. So they're like, oh, okay, we'll basically force them to do it. And that's their way of getting people to buy it. That absolutely sounds like something they would do to me. 1000%. And then they'll say like, oh, it was hackers, or oh, it was our AI algorithm being messed up. But in reality, it was just, oh, we needed money in sales. Thanks for buying Meta Verified. I think that's what it was, now that I think about it. I could be wrong. I absolutely could be wrong. But that's what it sounds like to me. Especially with like the accusations and stuff, the reasoning for why your account was disabled. Because I've heard it was the same for a lot of people. The exact same one. It's a pretty serious one. And all the people I know would never do that shit, including myself. So I think it's a money grab. But I'm not an expert. Oh, I was thinking about what I was going to title this video. And because I'm not going to mention Instagram in the title. I don't want to bring that attention, I guess would be the word. So I'm not going to do that. But I was going to call it Fall Weather Already ? Because right now it's August 28th. But by the time you guys see this, it'll be end of September, beginning of October. So you're going to be like, well, yeah, it's fall weather. But that's not when it was recorded. When it was recorded, it doesn't make... It's surprising that it's fall weather. Just to clear that up, if you didn't already know by now that this video is pre-recorded. Pre-recorded as in I made the video a good bit of time before you actually see it on the tube. And I wish I could talk properly. Hypothetically, I'm gonna put this out there just out of curiosity. There's another Challenger. The reason I'm asking is because we just passed, that white one just passed me, and now that gray one. But hypothetically, if I were to buy a car from Copart Next, right? Please don't pull, oh, you're not police, you can't pull me over. Anyways, if I were to buy a car from Copart next and do that for a little rebuild, would you rather see a Dodge Challenger, okay, a Dodge Charger, or a Camaro? I'm leaving it up to you guys. One of those, I have a preference. I have an order of first through third that I'd prefer. I'm not going to mention it just because I don't want to sway your answers at all. I'm curious as to what you guys would say. But hypothetically, right, if I were to generate some money out of my ass and get another, oops, sorry, I forgot I'm trying to be like more appropriate in my videos so that if people that are a little bit younger, like teens and stuff, want to watch this in front of their parents, they're not getting in trouble or anything. But if I were to somehow come up with enough money to buy a car, what would you want to see out of those three? A Charger, Challenger, or Camaro? Let me know down in the comments. I would be fine with all three, but I do have preferences. Or Mustang. Why not throw a fourth one? Mustang as well. It's also an option. Because I have been driving the Mustang lately, like I said, until I get my car fixed. Thank you to my dad for that, for letting me borrow it back from him. I have been driving it, and it's going to be hard to give it back to him because it is a lot of fun. Makes my work commute way more enjoyable. Don't get me wrong, I love my car, but this Mustang's more fun. But anyways, so I would be up to fixing one of those as well. So those four options, which one would you rather see? And with that being said, I'm going to quit yapping and wrap this one up. But let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, because I upload these at 9 a.m. my time. So for most of you, it's probably the rest of your day. But if you're in a different time zone, whatever it may be, hope it's good. And I'll see you in the next one, which is most likely going to be the ZX1000 rebuild. So if everything goes as planned, that's what it'll be. I'll see you then.